Hey everybody, and welcome to this platform. And today's video I have given a question. This is interesting math problem where we have y over 2 power 3 equals to 8. We can say that you are supposed to find the value of y. Why don't know it? Solution. And always we have to copy y over 2 power 3 equals to 8. Of course, at this stage we can cube each number or coefficients that we have right here. Y power 3 over 2 power 3, which equals to 8. Now at this stage we have y power 3 over 2 power 3, then it will be 2 power 3, right? Due to cross multiplication, we shall get y power 3, which equals to 2 power 3 times 2 power 3 right here. And this will be y power 3, which equals to 2 power 3, then times 2, or squared. And y power 3 will be as 2 squared, then power 3. And this identity they are same. Y power 3 will be 4 power 3. And by grouping right terms, we shall get y power 3 minus 4 power 3, which equals to 0. And here at this stage, we can say that y minus 4 times y squared, then here plus 4y plus 16, here will be 0, and of course y minus 4 equal to 0, or y squared plus 4y plus 16 will be 0, and here y will be 4 as the part of real number. And this is a quadratic equation that we are going to find y2 and 3, because this is y1, which equals to negative b plus or minus here square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. y2 and 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus here square root of 16 minus 4 times 16 over 2. And this will be y2 and 3, which equals to 4 plus minus here square root of negative 48 over 2. And of course here y2 and 3 will be negative 4 plus or minus here square root of here 16. This is 16 times 3. Square root of 16 is equal to 4i square root of 3 over 2. And y2 and 3 will be negative 2 plus or minus here 2i square root of 3 as the part of complex number. And always we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given y over 2 power 3 equals to 8. And of course here we have 4 over 2 power 3 equals to 8. And this implies that 2 power 3 equals to 8. 8 equals to 8. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.